Today, on the Feast of Don Bosco, the 36th Plenary Assembly of the Conference of Catholic Bishops India began with the celebration of the Holy Eucharist. Most Reverend Archbishop George Anthony Swami, Vice President of CCBI and Archbishop of Madras, presided over the liturgy, inspiring the assembly with his homily. The synodal pathway is not merely an event but a journey of listening and discernment. It calls for an experience-based approach to church renewal, where we reimagine relationships, moving from hierarchical structures to collaborative ones. As shepherd leaders, we are called to lead from the front, accompany in the middle, and follow behind when needed, ensuring a church deeply rooted in faith, culture, and mission. His words set the tone for the day, reminding the bishops of their role in fostering unity and service in the church's mission. The morning prayer and presentation provided the bishops with a deeper understanding of the state of Odisha and its mission. Following this, the commissions shared insights into their various activities and works. Archbishop Rafi Manjali moderated the reports of the Women's Commission, Youth Commission, Proclamation Commission, PMO, and Health Commission. Each report highlighted the Church's commitment to serving diverse communities and addressing their unique needs. The bishops then assembled at the steps of the Xavier Institute of Management Auditorium for the much-awaited group photograph, capturing a moment of unity and fellowship among the delegates. Andes, leading the delegates in prayer, and ecological stewardship aligning with the synodal call for renewal and mission. There is so much to be grateful, and so once more the bishops made their way back to the chapel to thank God for the blessings received and for the grace to move forward in the service of the Church.